Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday, it is Zone 5, the living room, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer, we have 5 routines, some in the morning, some in the afternoon, some in the evening. So let's talk about those routines. If you work, you'll just do your morning routine, which is a 2-parter if you have children, yours first and then the children's. Then you're going to work. When you come back, you'll do the laundry, the paper routine. So put the laundry in, do your paper routine in those few minutes while you've just got the laundry going, and then get your dinner prepared. After dinner's prepared, then you can go on to the next thing, and I'll be there in a minute. Okay, at home Fly Babies, you're going to start your laundry after you do your morning routine, and then you're going to go through your inch of paper as well, and you're going to go straight into Zone 5, the living room. So go into your living room and either spend 15 minutes decluttering in there and then completing the process by throwing away, putting away, and giving away, or it's decluttered. You've been doing clutter checks, so there's no clutter, so you're going to pick 4 things to do in that room this week. So this is Wednesday. You did something Monday, Tuesday, maybe you took as your free day. So do the next thing you had planned to do in this room. If you haven't failed to plan, that's okay. Pick 3 more things to do in this room, each thing taking 10 minutes or less, and do 1 today. I'll give you an example of what I did at my mother's home. Now I'm just back from my mother and dad's, but I've told my mother occasionally I will do 1 thing in her zone for her. So in the living room, on top of a giant bookshelf, which my mother has beautifully appointed. She's a very tidy woman, but she can no longer do these kinds of things. There is a beautiful green silk plant, and I took that for her down. I dusted the top of that very high bookshelf, and then took this giant green plant with moss under it and took it outside on its little foam base and squirted it off with a really high pressure hose, let it dry in the sun, and then that evening rearranged the leaves and put it back up there. That did not take long, believe you me. And I enjoyed doing it for her, and she has talked and talked about it. Isn't that funny? That one little thing. So that's the kind of thing I want you to do, just one little thing. Okay, and then we're going to go on to the basic weekly plan. Today is planning and desk day. So once you've got your home keeping out of the way, we're going to do our planning and desk day, which means you're going to check your fridge, your freezer, your pantry, or the list that you've been keeping with what's in there and editing as you remove things or add things. Create a menu based on what you have, a grocery list based on what you still need. Go to your desk, also throw away things in that fridge or anywhere that are out of date or yucky. And then go to your desk, balance your checkbook, make your grocery list match your budget, so that means a little editing, and check and make sure there's nothing weird happening in your account with your debit card or your credit card. And then you can go ahead and order your groceries or whatever you want to do. Then the other thing you're going to do today is check that inbox. When you're doing your mail every day, you're putting some things in the inbox that might require action or filing, and you're going to either take action or file. Those things won't be very many. Most of it that comes out of those piles is just trash. Okay, now let's go to the people who are working. When you come home, you've started your dinner already, you've got your laundry going, and you've gone through your inch of paper. Now you're going to do your Zone 5. Go in your living room and do 1 thing, 10 minutes or less. And now make sure you inspect what you expect if you have delegated that basic weekly plan 1 item a day. If you have not delegated it and have chosen to do it yourself 1 item a day, go do that 1 item, 10 minutes or less. And then we're going to talk about the basic weekly plan, which is your planning and desk day. Now for you who work, in the morning you're going to take a glance at the fridge to get rid of anything that's gross, and then look at what's in there and the pantry and in the freezer. Or the ideal thing is to keep a running list and edit it as you're using it or adding to it. Now you can make your menu based from what you have, your grocery list based on what you don't have, and you can do that at work. Yes, you can. You can also place your order for groceries at work. Check your checking account. Balance it. Look at your budget. You can also, there's something else you can also do. What is it? Can you think? Let's see. Pay your bills. That's the other thing. And handle your action items. So you can do those things at work, because when you do this every week, there's not very much to do, honest. Okay, now when you are done with those things, you're going to have supper. Everybody's going to have supper. Let's all sit around the table and enjoy. Afterwards, the whole family helps clean the kitchen. Yes, we do. Little jobs for everybody, a little job for you. You stay in there while they're getting it done. And then later on, everybody prepares for bed in the before bed routine, and then you do yours. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget your always remember your 3 clutter checks a day to keep your vulnerable areas free of clutter. And always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.